Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I want to go over Robinhood. This is a stock that I've been trading for a minute now. I'm bullish on this asset. I've been bullish on this asset for quite some time. I want to go over some technical analysis because I feel like we're in a position or an area that is very important. But before we get started, if you guys can go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate that. I did gain one follower, one subscriber on my last video, so shout out to you, whoever you are. So, but let's go ahead and get started. Robinhood. I've been, this is an asset I've been interested for some time. I started looking into this asset back in 2023, around this area, December. In that moment, I think that there was a good Fibonacci time, which essentially those pivots do indicate a breakout or a trend reversal. And this is something I identify in that moment, which, as you guys can see now, we from that position, from that time, we had a huge rally to all-time highs, shattering all-time highs. And now we're at an area, in my opinion, where is a very nice and good support, something that I've been eyeing on about 6, 7, 8 months, which is this zone here. Here, what I want to go over is the current technical area that we are in right now. So what I have here is a fixed range pool from the beginning of the IPO up until currently. And as you guys can see, we're hovering around the value area high, as well as the golden pocket. In addition to that, an anchor VWAP, which dates back to the initial of the breakout. This is an area that I've been interested in some time, so I have begun bidding, simply because this is something where I've been planning on since August of last year. Here in this area, I was looking to perhaps get a drop, and that drop was around the zone, but as you guys can see, we did end up with another leg up. So now, from there, my Fibonacci pool did update. Previously, I had it here simply because when I posted, that was the current high, but since we have another leg up, that since then has been updated, which is where this Fibonacci pool is from. So yeah, so this is an area that I am interested in. I have begun bidding, buying a few positions. However, I do see that we can make a move up here, especially since we're holding support. But I also wouldn't be surprised if another leg down. And I'm hoping that if we do end up with another leg down, it wouldn't break this trend line. I would be seeing is a liquidity sweep from this low, and then market and bottom, and hopefully moving up. And the reason for that is because this is a major level of support. Losing this area can definitely be a very bearish case, which, with volume profile, usually once you break a value area high, we tend to revisit the point of control as another support, and ultimately the value area low. So as you guys can see, that is a massive drop if that area is lost. Now there are levels in between here and here, but they're not significant. I think that the significant level is here around this area. Now, could the bottom be in? It's very likely. It's possible. And the reason why I'm saying that is because we tap all those key areas of support. So we did tap the value area high, as well as the golden pocket and the anchor VWAP. So those areas have been tapped, and we did see a strong reaction. We had a slight pullback, which is interesting because that pullback appears to have retested the lower time frame, mid time frame golden pocket. So so we hovered around the golden pocket. It looks like we're finding support. We can definitely start seeing moves up, just given that support is holding up. Levels to the upside, I think the biggest level that we have on the upside would be golden pocket. The golden pocket would be an area that I would always be interested in seeing either one to take profits or finding a way to hedge myself. So in that golden pocket comes around 120 to 128 dollars around this zone. So we can definitely see something like this, hovering here, bounce, get a move up here, and then perhaps get another leg down. So and maybe build some sort of range. So that's what I'm looking at in Robinhood. Like I said, I've been bullish on this asset for some time. I have started to bid here just because this was a level that I planned for months. Now that we're here and we're seeing reaction, I think it's a good opportunity to press the buy button, especially if this is something that was planned for. And but again, thank you guys for joining. If you guys can go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. None of this is financial advice. I just want to give you guys my insights and what I'm seeing in the charts and the assets that I'm interested in trading or investing in. So thank you guys again.